Hello, welcome Monday, November 2nd. We are starting a new unit. Let me show you how to get there and then we'll see what we have to do. Our unit is Unit 3, The Thoughtful Consumer. Then you will Module 7, November 2nd to the 6th, Managing Money. Then you'll click on Monday, Day 1, November 2nd. Here's what we have to do today. First, you watch the video, Async. You have 3 activities to do in Async for today. The first one is in your book, page 42, part 2A and 2B. You're going to complete the parts. Here is the listening section, and here is the audio. You will take a picture and upload it into Schoology for points. Your next Async assignment is the next page of your book, page 43. You are going to complete the parts A, B, and C, page 43. Okay, and here's the audio for both parts. Take a picture and upload it to Schoology. Your third activity is a NearPod lesson, present perfect versus present perfect progressive, also known as present perfect continuous. You have done NearPods a lot. So let's see what you have to do. You'll click and take notes, take notes, take notes, take notes, answer a question. Okay, write your own sentences. Use the phrases many times. Read everything here. Okay, and here are some examples. Okay, and then you will write your comment. This is just an example. Make sure you read everything. Okay, and then you'll continue to read and take notes and take a quiz. Okay, which one goes here? Next. Okay, and you'll take more notes, and then you'll do a matching activity. Take more notes, read and take notes. Make sure you read through it. I am just clicking through, but make sure you also read through it. You'll play this game and then you're done. Okay? All right. And that's it for your async. It's Monday, so we have Zoom class. So let's see what you have to do in sync. Okay, we have a few things lined up. We're going to practice gerunds and infinitives, simple past, present perfect progressive. Just simple past and present perfect. Then we will talk about fact and opinion, and then we will do a vocabulary activity. And that's it. Good luck.